In front of me is Sonar Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for Location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, and when I click, it turns grey. That means that location is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to click on Location section over here. Then use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!